Namaste. Welcome to divinecure Online. This is Sandeep Jain. I'm a Reiki Grandmaster, pranic healer, and a neuro-linguistic programming coach. I'm in this field since 2001. divinecure Online is a mission of healing and spreading happiness around the globe. We are finding easy ways by which patients from around the world can heal themselves at their own convenient place and at their own convenient time. As a general fact, we all face some sort of issues, be it physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, or relationships. In most of the cases, the problems are psychosomatic. Psychosomatic issues are related with our subconscious mind, which needs to be treated with a different approach. Only dealing with medicines is not enough for each patient. As a matter of fact, no single healing modality is perfect in itself. Each one needs support of other healing modalities as well. I have prepared 5 healing sessions with different modalities like neuro-linguistic programming, which is called NLP, Reiki healing, pranic healing, angel healing, visualization, chakra healing, affirmations, coloring, breathing, etc. In the first session, you will learn how to delete your past painful memories from your subconscious mind, which is impossible to do in normal course. Within the first session, your self-image will be redesigned to the maximum best level that you always dreamt of. Second session of this NLP plus energy healing sessions is mainly focused on forgiveness and negative cord cutting with the unwanted bad karmas. It is necessary to neutralize the seed of all sorts of suffering. Third session consists of future timeline in which you will manifest all your dream goals and achieve your mission of life. Fourth session is related to your chakra cleansing, coloring, balancing, and energizing with new and innovative methods. Fifth and final session of this NLP plus energy healing will have a complete review of all the 4 previous sessions, along with Reiki healing for any sort of existing problem, removal of any allergies or phobias. You will also get to know about a very special technique of breathing, which immediately makes your aura strong and gives you a very good healing. These 5 sessions bring a great change in each person's life. This is like a complete transformation. Body, mind, and soul starts healing at a great pace. Sessions are done online on camera through Skype, WhatsApp, Zoom, or any other convenient similar platform. The testimonials of my patients was so encouraging that forced me to make this video so that this information can reach to other patients who really need this miraculous healing sessions. You can read these testimonials on my website, which is www.divinecure.online. I will share the link for you in the description section. These sessions can be done in Hindi, Punjabi, English. These are the languages in which I'm fluent, so no worries, we can do the sessions in these languages. It will be great if you can support by liking and subscribing my channel. Also, if you can share this video with all your nears and dears. Nobody knows who may get benefited with your noble effort of sharing. If you have any doubts or questions, you can write to me directly on my WhatsApp or email. Links are provided in the description section. You can even write as a comment under this video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.